Hello, this is Arvi and in this video we are going to walk through the weekly and daily cycle analysis for Peloton. That's symbol PTON. Peloton has some pretty clear weekly cycles starting to form here. We don't have a ton of data, but you can see the rising phases and then the corrective phase, the rising phase, and the corrective phase, the rising phase, and the corrective phase that has likely now bottomed, and we are entering into a new intermediate term rising phase here. Now note that this cycle low that just formed here retested that prior cycle low at $92. Now that is a warning sign over the longer term, and if we were to violate and break down below this key low here at 94, that would be a very negative situation in Peloton. So I just want to put that on the radar. But right now we are in an intermediate term rising phase, and there are good odds that we will test this intermediate term 50 to the intermediate term 61.8. That's this darker red shaded area here. So that's from around 132 to around 142. If we go ahead and shift over to the daily chart, you'll see that we have just formed very likely a short-term low. The short-term low in Peloton was due 3.4 to 3.12, and these daily cycles have been very consistent over time. You can see how these daily cycle lows, which we show with these purple ovals, have formed relative to the idealized timing, which means relative to the troughs of these cycles that we've drawn on this chart. And if I zoom out, they have really been very clear for many months here in Peloton. So what they indicate is that we have likely formed a short-term low, as I just mentioned, and you can see there's a little bit of a flag forming here. We will look for this to turn back up on the upside and test this short-term 50 to the short-term 61.8. So that's from around 124.80 to right around 132 or so here. So overall, a pretty decent pattern in the short term in Peloton, but it is giving some longer term warnings here based on this cycle structure. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button on YouTube, and you can also go ahead and sign up for our channel. We do post content very regularly. Lastly, if you are interested in learning more about all that we do at askSlim, please head over to askSlim.com. And we have some fantastic trials going on here as well. And if you're interested, please go ahead and write to Matt at askSlim.com. Thanks again, and have a great day.